woke up feeling pretty good and feeling like I should go out on a run. Don't know where, I don't care. Put my headphones on and played my favorite song and drifted off to a different space. A different time and place. It's a feeling I can't ignore. It comes knocking on my door and I'm ready, I'm ready. When those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell them not today. Oh, nah, 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 not today. Maybe tomorrow, not today. Oh, nah, 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 not today. Not today, maybe. Today I woke up, skies are looking gray and I just wanna stay in bed all day. Then I pretend the sun is shining and butterflies are flying over my head. It's a feeling I can't ignore. It comes knocking on my door and I'm ready, I'm ready. When those bad thoughts find their way, I'ma slam the door and say, I'm not here to play. I tell them not today. Oh, oh, nah, 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 nah.